Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us see a problem in which we need to prepare a capital reduction account. The question is on the screen. Please note down the question or at least take a screenshot of the question. On 31st March 2022, W Limited had an accumulated loss of rupees 6,45,000, that is P&L account, then preliminary expenditure of 35,000 and discount on issue of shares, that is 20,000. Further, land and building was overvalued by rupees 50,000. In order to write off fixtures assets and to bring down the value of land and building to its proper value, a scheme of capital reduction was approved by the court. So the court has approved a capital reduction scheme that was to reduce the equity shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid up to rupees 50 each. In that, rupees 25 paid up. The number of equity shares in W Limited was 10,000 rupees. Now see here, first write all the losses what you have written off. First, accumulated losses of rupees 6,45,000 we have written off. So to P&L account 6,45,000. Next, preliminary expenses. So to preliminary expenses is 35,000. Next, discount on issue of shares. So to discount on issue of shares, it is rupees 20,000. Next, it is land and building were overvalued by 50,000. So to land and building, it was overvalued by 50,000. Now what they have told, the reduction will be done through reducing the value of equity shares. So by equity share capital account. So total value of share is 100. It is reduced to 50. In that, rupees 25 is paid up. So 100 minus 25 means 75 rupees they are sacrificing. So total they have told it is 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares into 75 will be 7,50,000. So write that 7,50,000 here, 7,50,000, and the same thing here. It will get tallied. So this is how we need to solve this problem. Hope you have understood this problem very well. Please solve the problem by yourself. If you get any doubt, please put your queries in the comment box. We'll try to respond to your queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.